guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check the second question of the progression test style equations, stage 8. This one says round each number to two significant figures. Okay guys, this first number has four significant figures. So the first two are going to be the ones that they are going to remain as significant figures, and we need to get rid of the second two. That means we need to round to the hundreds. So the 7 would remain and the 5 is going to stay as 5 because the next digit is a 2. So we still write a 5. And we still need the 7 and the 5 to be in the same place value. So we need to complete this with zeros. So it's 7,500. It has just these two significant figures. The zeros are not going to count because they come from rounding, so they doesn't count as significant figures. If you have questions about what significant figures are, don't forget to check the video that I'll leave you in the description about this topic. And let's check this one. This one has 1, 2, 3, and 4 significant figures too. The 0 doesn't count because the significant figures start from the first non-zero digit. So we need to get rid of these two. 0.30, and we check if the 7 stays or goes up. The next digit is a 9, so it goes up to 0.38. And like that, you are going to get the 2 marks. Don't forget to go to the videos that I leave you in the description. They help you a lot to understand these topics. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Book your own lessons with me if you needed to. And let me any question you have in the comment box that I'm going to write and answer you guys. Bye bye guys. See you next time.